So before we begin this LC300, remind ko lang, meron kami trade-in dito guys. Okay? So most of the brands tinatagap namin for trade-in pero by schedule . So tawag kayo para ma-explain ko bakit hindi lahat ng brands tinatagap for trade-in. Okay? And before I forget, meron kaming transfer approval dito. Baka mamaya ang kausap mo, wala silang LC300. Okay? Pwede mo i-transfer dito yan. Or baka mamaya ka-price range nito sa ibang brand, almost 5 million yung approval mo. Pwede mo ilipat dito. Okay? So yan recap ko lang. Pwede mo i-transfer approval mo from another Toyota or from other brands. Okay? Simulan natin. This one is the Holy Grail, guys. LC300. So, tawag lang anytime. Pero pila pa rin to guys . Kung ayaw nyong mag-enlist, mas lalo tayong walang chance makakuha nito. Okay? Dahil ang susundin lang is yung mga naka-officially enlisted. Right? So may mga caller tayo minsan na ayaw magbigay ng details. Okay, sorry. Kapag meron nag-back out sa pila, hindi ko kayo maila-line up. Hindi ko mai-present yung name nyo. Dahil hindi ko ma-encode dahil nga sobrang high profile nyo, ayaw nyo magbigay ng details. Okay? So this one is the LC300 white. Meron akong vlog for this, for the black one. So, in reality guys, dadating na daw yung LC hybrid. So take advantage of this habang merong unit. Okay? Kung LC hybrid ang gusto mo, nako Diyos ko, ewan ko na lang. Yung pila niyan, grabe. Agawan niyan. So, ito, habang meron tayong available unit, line up na. Okay? White pearl color. 4x4, of course. And, hindi pwede mawala to ng integrated signal lights. Okay? And under, of course, nandyan palagi yung 360 camera. Right? Nice. So, chrome design and with chrome accent at both, at every door handle. Then, meron pa rin siyang manual key. Di ba? Just in case, malobat yung susi mo. Okay? And, saan yung smart entry niya? Ito yung smart entry niya. Okay? Hopefully, nakikita nyo. Pero yung line na yan, okay? You don't have to press it. There's no button. Just place your finger there. Yan. Pag na-sense niya na, at gagana lang yan kapag malapit yung susi. Actually, ito yung mga Land Cruiser na na-release dito. Most of the time, may mga LC na pala yung clients. So, madalas ayaw na nila magpa-demo. Right? So, let's go inside. Ang dami niyang buttons. Dahil dito, sa memory seat. Okay? So, hanggang 3 to. Pwedeng ikaw to, yung asawa mo, then yung driver nyo. So, meron siyang memory seat para sa different settings ng seat. Okay? So, minsan kasi syempre, husband mo, mas matangkad, then yung wife mo, hindi katangkaran. So, may sarili-sarili silang settings for this driver seat. Okay? Central lock all doors, central lock windows, okay? Especially kung may bata. Then, controls for the 4 windows. Door mechanism, door lock, and this one is coated with rough leather. And this one is soft leather, nice. Dark gray stitching and wood panel design. Just like nung na-vlog ko for this one, the Elite, meron din siyang wood panel design. That signifies the top of the line unit. Nice. So ito naman is medyo may pagka-matte color siya. Ganda. Nice. And this one, along the way, across this is soft leather. And this one is hard plastic. 1 cup holder extended, then 1 speaker under. Nice. And, yan. Pinamumukha sa'yo na naka-Land Cruiser ka. Wow. And, the step board. Nice. So, by the way, ito, if you're wondering about this, alam na to na may mga LC, meron tong seat ventilation. Kaya to may mga small holes yan, sa seats niya at sa sandalan niya. Okay? Gray stitching, power seat adjust. So yan, pwede mo i-move forward using this and pati yung sandalan mo. Okay? Then before we go inside, discuss lang muna natin itong mga panels. Okay? Yan. Meron ka ditong auto high beam. So summary ko lang to auto high beam. Kapag yung kasalubong mo naka high beam, automatic na maglo-low beam tong LC mo. Okay? Para hindi kayo magbanggaan ng ilaw. So meron ditong control para sa tailgate. Example dyan, pagpasok ng mall, sasabihin ni guard, patingin ng likod, pwede mo siya i-open dito. Open and close. Okay? So, parking sensors. Okay? Pwede mo i-on off. Then this one is the traction mode. Okay? Ito yung pang-open ng gas. Ito yung pang-open ng hood. Right? Marami-raming buttons to. So, aircon vent. So, ito yung pang-close ng vent. Okay? And, isang look muna bago tayo pumasok. Nice. So, let's go inside. So, ito yung controls natin to navigate the settings dito sa LCD. Okay? Yan. Full LCD yan, guys, ha. Okay? Actually, ilang beses na ako nag-demo nito para sa release. And yung iba kasi ayaw na magpa-demo kasi familiar na sila. Minsan, pangalawang LC na nila. Yan, right? So, ito yung back button when navigating this LCD settings. Okay? Answer call, volume plus minus, voice command. Okay? So, ang design nito is yan. Soft nitong leather. Smooth siya. Okay, with dark gray stitching. Yan, kita nyo ba? Okay, then silver accent design. Yan, nice. And andito na naman yung wood panel design natin. Yan, ganda. So, yan, Toyota emblem, airbags. Nice. So, nandito yung cruise control natin. Okay, cruise control, lane departure monitoring. Okay. Meron tong cruise control na standard and meron naman yung dynamic, yung susundan niya yung sasakyan mo sa harapan. Okay, this one is the mode. Shortcut for this, you're going to cycle between AM, FM, Bluetooth, yan, when pressing this. Para while driving ka, nakafocus sa road, yan yung shortcut button mo. So this one is sa skip ng song or radio station, right? Nice. Ganda. Sobrang solid. Ito yung Holy Grail LC300. Yeah. Okay. So ito yung push button natin. Nice. And ito ang haba nung monitor natin. Okay? So ito para at least maano nyo, ma-visualize nyo. Ito yung kamay ko, at least 2 kamay ang sukat niya. Okay? Yan Yan yung kamay ko. Okay? Halos 2 kamay yung haba niya. Okay, nandito yung volume control, minus, off button, then volume control para sa, plus. Okay, hazard button, aircon vent. Okay, wow, ang daming botones dito. Okay, para tayong nasa eroplano. Okay, meron ba ditong eject button para i-eject mo yung maingay mong asawa? Just joking. Okay? So, madali lang yan. Itong 2 button na to is para dun sa air, seat ventilation. So, okay, may ventilation tong upuan mo. Itong 2, itong front row. So, pwede mo ma-control yung kung gaano kalakas yung ventilation niya. Okay? Then, meron din yan auto mode. Ito ang sobrang liit ng button. Okay? Off, of course, i-discuss ko pa ba yan? Auto max. Okay? Front defogger, rear defogger, okay, air circulation, para kung papasok man yung hangin sa labas or within the cabin only. Ito yung aircon, rear aircon, pwede mo i-off yan, okay. Then AC for the thermostat, eco, heat or cool, synchronized thermostat. Okay, by the way, ito nakita nyo itong silver panel na to. So, ang pag-adjust niya is ganito. Kita nyo? Yan, up, down. Hindi siya press. Okay, so yan kita nyo. Yan. Yan yung mode niya. Okay, so ganun ang pag-press niya. Right? Ang adjustment yan is thermostat. Yan, both. Okay, this one is the mode. Blower control, rear aircon. And another mode. Kasi nga, dual zone to. Okay? And 360 camera. Guys, I have to be honest with you. Meron ako mga ibang buttons dito na hindi ko madidiscuss. And skip ko na lang siya. Okay? Right. So, 360. Ito, I think this one is the immobilizer. Right? So, drive mode. Okay? Iba-iba ang terrain mode nito eh. So, pwedeng mabato, pwedeng maputik. Pipiliin mo yung terrain mo currently. Okay? Para sa magiging best settings ng drive mode nitong LC300 mo. Right? Mode select. Ayan o. Kita nyo? So, rotary siya. Okay? Hindi siya napipress ha. That's rotary. Okay? MTS and ito yung crawl mode niya. Yan. Downhill assist, crawl. Okay? Yan yung aandar siya mag-isa na sobrang bagal lang para hindi mo na i-command tong ayan, yung mga pedal mo, mas focus ka sa road and dito sa pag-navigate mo ng steering wheel. So yan, downhill assist or crawl. Okay, differential lock. Ito hindi ko alam to guys. Pwede nyo ako i-chat, balikan ko kayo for this. And ito naman is yung low 4-wheel drive and high 4-wheel drive. High speed 4-wheel drive, low speed 4-wheel drive. Nice. And ito, brake hold assist, automatic siyang mag-hold ng preno. Especially for the stoplight. Yan. And this one is the handbrake. Push button na po ang handbrake natin. Okay? So, ito yung drive modes natin. Park, reverse, neutral, drive. Then, meron din siyang Tiptronic plus minus. So, wala po itong paddle shifter. Pero Tiptronic siya, pwede ka mag plus minus. Then, one wireless charger. Okay? Ito, lagay ng coins or phone or RFID card. Okay? So, may on-off to guys Yan yung wireless charger natin. Sa hindi ko nadala yung phone ko, nandun sa office para itry. Then, dalawang cup holder, the best. And ito guys, meron ito sa RAV4 din. Kabilaan yung pag-open itong center pocket. So, open ko dito, kita nyo. Yan, by pressing this one, yan, napipindot to Yan. And kung yung nasa passenger mo dito, siya naman ang gusto mag-open. So, ulitin ko lang ikaw yung nag-open, paano naman yung passenger mo? Yun, kabilaan yung pagbukas niya. Yan, so meron din siyang pindutan dito. Okay, nice. This one is leather with dark gray stitching. Nice, yan Ang ganda, ang lapad nyo. Tingnan nyo yung elbow ko. Okay. So, meron ditong retractable na, yan, tray. Added lang para hindi ka na mag-reach out dun sa malalim. Ano yun? Actually, ang lalim nyo. Yan. Pwede mo ipilit dito yung dalawang sapatos, Ganun siya kalapad. Okay. Then, this one is cool box. Hindi siya sobrang, hindi siya yung kasing lamig ng refrigerator, guys, Pero, cool box siya. It means dadaan dito yung aircon. Okay. At least, medyo chill yung bottled water nyo or any something na ilalagay nyo. Okay. Nice. So, it's all black with, like I mentioned, meron yang seat ventilation. So, the glove box, ang laki ng glove box, meron siyang first and second. Yan, first and second division. Okay? That's the aircon vent. And by the way, this one is JBL speakers. Okay? Dahil meron kang JBL tweeter dito sa harap, Kita nyo. Both sides yan, Nice. So, same goes dito ang panel ng front passenger. Yan. And, ito yung maganda. Yan. Meron kang panoramic view, glass ceiling. Okay. Para lang to sa first row. Okay. Hindi siya buong ceiling. Okay. Kita nyo. Yan. So, going at the headliner, yan. Meron tayong salamin dito. Every time you open this one, is iilaw yan. Okay, hindi siya umilaw kasi hindi nakabit yung battery. So, iilaw to para makita mo yung pagmumukha mo. So, light function. Ito yung pang open and close, okay? Nitong ceiling. Then, yan. Meron door function yung ilaw. Yan, reminder, baka may naka-open na door. Lit, iilaw tong dalawa. Ayan, actually, gumagana pala right now. Yan, nakita nyo? So, yan. Umilaw siya kasi may naka-open na door. Naka-open yung door ko sa second row. Yan, yung door function. Then, ito individual. Kita nyo? Yan, kung kanan naman, yan, umilaw yung kanan. Yeah, that's it. That's the first row. And, yeah. Ito yung holy grail yung client ko na big time din is yung kapitbahay ko naka LC. Gusto ko rin bumili. Solid. So, going at the second row. So, ang lupit, meron tayong JBL tweeter dito. Okay? Para salong-salo mo. Okay? Door function. This one is coated with soft, rough leather. Okay? Yan Then, meron tong soft leather running across again. Diyan. Okay? Wood panel design, window control, one cup holder, extended, one speaker under. Nice. And meron tong dalawang tablet. Ayan ang laki Okay? Same goes there. Yan. Dalawa yung monitor natin dito. Okay? Then, meron niyang volume control. Okay? Individual. Then, pwede ka mamili ng source. Nice. Off button. Okay? Ganda. Okay? Nice. And, dalawa yung center cabin light natin. Ito, this one, mas maganda siya. Okay, and this one, another one, center cabin light. Black interior, black ceiling. Okay, andito yung isang apat yung aircon vent na dito for the second and the third row. Okay, ito, kita nyo ba? Yan. So, apat yan. Okay, tatlo yung headrest dito. And, meron tayong retractable dito Yun. Nice. Retractable armrest. Meron dalawang cup holder. Ganda. So, yan. And by the way, meron din tong seat ventilation guys. Even at the second row, meron tayong seat ventilation. So, ang dami rin controls dito. Diba? Yan dami Okay, kita nyo ba? So, ito yung seat ventilation control niya. Okay? Both sides, kasi nga dalawa dito. Automax, thermostat, nandito pa rin up, down. Nice. Ito yung blower control, up, down din siya. So, yan meron siyang airflow control. Okay? Then, meron tayong dalawang Type-C charger here. And ang kulit, di ba? May kabitan ng earphones or headset dito. Okay? I think this one is the 3.5mm jack para dito sa dalawang monitor na to. Okay? Solid na solid yung experience mo. And this one is, meron siyang HDMI. Okay? Ganda. Solid. As in, gugustuhin mong sumakay dito kahit ayaw mo yung pupuntahan. Yan. So, the wheels are massive. Of course, being the LC300. Nice. May ako nabalikan yung gulong. And, ito yung likod natin. Pakita ko muna interior. So, this one is power tailgate. Boom! Solid. So, kapag finold mo to, this one is flat. Kita nyo? Yan. Itong third row na dalawa, magiging flat siya. So, sobrang luwag. And ito yung kasama niyang carpet matting kapag na-release. So, merong ilaw dito sa likod, Okay? Merong power button dito. Yan. Para ma-collapse mo tong dalawang upuan na to. Okay? It's automatic. Hindi mo yung kailangan i-manual, okay? Na fold. And by the way, dito nakikita nyo ba Guys, yan. Yan. Power yung adjust nitong sandalan. Okay? So yan, nakaharap na sa inyo is yung dalawang cup holder. So sa kabilang side, same. Yan, kita nyo. Okay? Nice. Super. Nice. Yan. And ito, kasama na to. Yan o. Yan. So, 4 yung backing sonars natin. 3, 4. Then, reflector. Yan, with chrome accent. Nice. So, ito naman yung pang, design ng pang open-close ng tailgate. So, ito, hawakan, pwedeng sabitan ng lamp. Okay? Pwede may sabit yung lamp mo dito. Kasi pwede kang tumambay dito kung meron kang folding chair. Okay, yan, ang lapad kasi ng tailgate niya. Diba? Nice. So, ito yung na-mention ko kanina na meron siyang mga aircon vents sa side. Okay, with handle. Nice. So, guys, kailangan ko ng detalye para sa mga officially na magla-line up dito, yung hindi bogus, okay? Madalas yung iba, ahente pala, o hindi siya yung direct buyer, kaya ayaw niya magbigay ng details. So, that's the situation for this. So, backing sensor plus backing camera. Okay, solid. Yeah. Third mount stop lamp. Meron dito So, smoke design na siya. Okay. Yung last release ko nito, actually, ang pinatint na lang niya, guys, is yung first row and the windshield. Kasi, ang second row and third row mo is smoke glass na siya. Sana ikita nyo, Okay, ito yung sunlight, to. So, ayan yung first row. Wala siyang tint and the windshield. Then, pero ito, meron na siya. Smoke glass na siya. So, actually, makakatipid ka pa dahil yung ipapatint mo na lang is the first row and the front windshield. So, yan. This one is the ZX Badge LC300. Solid. And this one, these wheels, these mags is massive, guys. Ano bang size nito? Look at my hand. Yan, nakita niyo yung kamay ko, kung gaano kalaki yan. So, the mag size is 20 inches. And ang nakakabit na wheels, the tires, is Grand Trek. So, madalas, yung iba, nauubusan ng pag-asa dito. Okay? Pila lang tayo, wala namang mawawala. Kukuha na namin kayo ng reservation or payment for this kapag guaranteed na yung unit. Pero right now, habang wala pang guaranteed unit, wala namang masama kung mag-enlist kayo. Kasi kung, for example, merong mag-back out sa pila, yun yung chance natin na makuha siya. Teka, minsan tatanungin, bakit sila nag-back out? So, nag-back out sila dahil minsan hindi pa pala ready yung budget. Minsan hindi pa ready yung bank PO. So, yun chance natin na makuha yung LC. So, guys, ang suggestion ko dito is any color na tayo. Okay? Hindi naman sa inaano ko kayo, syempre, mamaya gusto nyo lang black or white. Pero, guys, any color na tayo. Dahil bihira lang magka-unit nito. YouTube, I have another vlog for this for the black one. Pero I suggest any color na tayo. Okay? This bumper is massive. It's hammerhead. Brutal. Andito yung fog light natin. Okay, with chrome accent. Okay, meron ditong front sensor. This one. Right? Nice. Yan yung ilaw niya, Okay. Pwede rin kayo pumila dito for the LC Prado. Okay. Madalas kasi may tumatawag din sa amin na ang gusto niya LC is the diesel. The available variant in Philippines is only the petrol or the gas LC Prado. Okay? Nice. So, mukhang naikutan na natin at everything. Tawag kayo kung meron kayong tanong. Huwag kayong mahiya magtanong. Tawag kayo. Call, message me, anything. Right? So that's the LC300. Stop recording. Yeah. So that's the LC300, guys. So, guys, pwede kayo mag-transfer na approval dito just in case meron ka ng approval from other brands or other Toyota. Bakit magta-transfer? Ulit-ulitin lang natin. Baka mamaya wala sa kanila yung color na gusto mo. Baka nasa amin. Okay? And baka wala silang unit. Right? So, kapag sa other brands naman, guys, level your expectation, ha? At least, same price level for this one. This one is 5.7 million, okay? Then, yun, trade-in and transfer approval. Guys, visit my TikTok, YouTube, and Facebook. Bye!